Hi Junior 3, how are you? I'm Miss Shireen Yusuf. I'll explain to you a new grammar lesson. Unit 5, Lesson 2. Lesson 2 and 3. Uncountable nouns. Nouns in English can be divided into countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that we can count. Uncountable nouns are nouns that we cannot count. Countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that we can count. They have singular form and plural form. For example, tree, two trees. The book is old. Here I am talking about one book, so the verb will be in the singular form. The books are old. Here I am talking about more than one book, so the verb will be in the plural form. What about uncountable nouns? Let's see. Uncountable nouns have only singular form. Always use a singular verb after the noun. For example, sugar is sweet. We cannot use a or an or a number before them. For example, I can say a rice to rice, a bread to bread. Okay? Uncountable nouns are often abstract ideas, cannot touch. Like what? Love, freedom, education, luck, help, beauty, music, thunder. Made of smaller parts. Like what? Sugar, rice, salt, sand, flour, dirt, dust, traffic, grass, spaghetti. Some food cut into small parts. Like what? Bread, fish, cheese, chocolate, meat, bacon, food, ham. Liquids and gases. For example, water, milk, wine, oil, coffee, rain, soup, air, smoke, blood, juice, fog. Materials like wood, glass, paper, gold, silver, ice, iron, cotton, wool, steel. Be careful, uncountable in English, okay? Like what? Furniture, advice, work, news, information, luggage, money. Okay, open your booklet page 57. Here, milk is uncountable. You cannot count milk, yes. You can count the container it is in, but not the liquid itself. For example, I can say 2 bottles of milk. Here you are counting the bottle, not the milk itself. Okay, I can say a glass of water or 2 glasses of water, a jug of water, a cup of tea or 2 cups of tea, a packet of tea, a jar of honey, a loaf of bread, a slice of bread, a carton of milk, a can of Coke, a bottle of Coke, a bowl of sugar, a kilo of meat, a bar of soup, a bar of chocolate, a piece of chocolate, a piece of cheese, a piece of furniture. Open your grammar book page 46. Let's answer the questions in your book. Okay? Number 1. Complete the table with these nouns: animal, clown, fun, hair, laptop, map, money, music, party, robot, time, work. Okay? Let's divide these nouns into countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, countable nouns, nouns that we can count. Uncountable nouns, nouns that we cannot count. Okay, let's see. Number 1, animal. Yes, we can count animals. For example, I can say 1 cat, 2 cats. Okay. What about clown? You know what is the meaning of clown? You see in the circus. Yes, it makes fun actions that makes you laugh. Yes, clown. Yes, I can count clown. 2 clowns, 3 clowns. Yes, clown, countable. Okay, after that, can we count fun? Can I say I have one fun, two funs? No, I can count fun, so it is not countable. Let's see hair. Can I count hair? Can I count my hair? No, so it is uncountable. Laptop. Can I count laptop? Yes, sure. I can say I have got one laptop. I have got 3 laptops. Yes, so laptop is countable. Map. Yes, we can count map. We can say 2 maps, 5 maps. Yes, super. Okay, what about money? Can we count money? No, I can't count money. Okay, I can't count money, but I can say I have 10 pounds. Okay, but the word money, we can count it. Money is uncountable. Okay, can we count music? No, we can count music. Party, what about party? Yes, we can say parties. Yes, super. Party is countable. Robot, can I count robot? Yes, sure. Robots, 3 robots, 4 robots. Okay, what about time? Can I count time? No, it is uncountable. Can I count work? No, it is uncountable. So, fun, hair, money, music, time, work is uncountable nouns. Grammar book, page 47. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Number 1. I'm hungry. Let's make some. Yes, look at the picture. What can you see? Yes, sandwiches. Number 2. We need red dots for the party. Okay, I want you to look at the picture. What can you see? Yes, a lot of balloons. So, balloons is countable. Yes, I can put S, balloons. Number 3. Dad's favorite food is. Yes, super. What can you see in the picture? Yes, it's very yummy. Yes, yes, it's spaghetti. Yes, it's uncountable, so we don't put S. Number 4. Sandra has got long what? Look at the picture. Yes, Sandra has got long hair. Super. Hair is uncountable. We don't put S. Wow, that's a lot of. Super. That's a lot of money. And the word money is uncountable. We don't put S. Number 6. Mom, we must buy some dots for the twins. Yes, super. What can you see in the picture? Yes, presents. The word presents is countable, so we put S. Super generously. Grammar book, page 47. Question number 3. Choose the correct answers. Number 1. Our teacher always gives us dots homework. Yes, the word homework is uncountable. We can't count homework. Yes, it's an uncountable noun. So, I told you before, we don't put before uncountable nouns any articles, a or an or a number, okay? So, we'll put nothing before homework. Our teacher always gives us homework. Number 2. Wow, look at the dots at this party. Foods. Okay, the word food is uncountable, so we know that uncountable nouns only be singular. There is no plural form for uncountable nouns, so we can't choose foods because it's uncountable. So we'll say what? Wow, look at the food at this party because it's uncountable. Number 3. This is Dot's grateful. Yes, film. Yes, I can count film. It's countable. I can say I watched a film or I watched 2 films, okay? So I will put a before film. This is a great film. Number 4. Oh no, I've got paint in my hairs. Yes, hair is uncountable. We can't count it, so It has only singular form, no plural. So we'll choose hair. Super. Number 5. Does there music at the carnival? Yes, this is a question. Okay, look at the noun music. Can you count music? No, music is uncountable noun. So we would use is because uncountable nouns have only a singular form. Number 6. Have you got dots custom for the carnival? Okay, look here at the noun custom. Yes, we can count customs. I can say I have a custom for the carnival, or I have two customs for the carnival, so I can count it. So I will put a before the noun. Have you got a custom for the carnival? Super Junior 3. Grammar book, page 48. Look at the pictures and complete the phrases with one of these expressions. A carton of, a cup of, a glass of, a loaf of, a packet of, a slice of. Number 1. That's crisps. Yes, we'll say super, a packet of crisps. Here, I don't count crisps. I count the packet, okay? A packet of crisps. Because crisps is, yes, uncountable. Number 2. Milk. Milk. Milk is uncountable, okay? Yes. What can you see in the picture? A carton of milk. We say a carton of milk. Number 3. Wow, it's yummy. Can you see this picture? Yes, it's a pizza. Yes. So we say what? Super Junior 3, we say a slice of pizza. Number 4. That's lemonade. Yes. Can you see the picture? Which word, which expression we will use? Yes, a glass of lemonade. Number 5. Look at this picture. What can you see? Yes, bread. Okay, I want to use an expression. Yes, I will say what? A loaf of bread. Super. Okay, the last one, that's coffee. Yes. Which expression I will use? Super, a cup of coffee. Grammar book, page 49. Some and any. Some and any. We use some in affirmative sentences with plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns to say that something exists. We use any in negative sentences and questions with plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns to say that something doesn't exist or to ask if something exists. '57. Some, any. Okay, we use some with positive sentences. Affirmative sentences means positive sentences. And we use any with negative sentences and questions. Okay, we use some and any with countable and uncountable sentences. Okay, we need some milk. This is a positive sentence. We need some milk. Okay, if we need to change it into negative, we will say what? We don't need any milk. Okay, because some comes in affirmative sentence only, but any in negative and questions. Okay, grammar book, page 49. Complete the sentences with some or any. Number 1. I need dots candles for the cake. This one is done for us. Let's read it. I need dots candles for the cake. Okay, this sentence is, yes, a positive sentence, so we'll use some. Number 2. Have you got dots friends in Australia? Yes, this is a question. So we'll use what? Some or any? Super. Any. Number 3. There aren't dots good customs this year. Yes. Look here, aren't. This is a negative sentence. Super. So We'll use what with negative and question. Yes, we use any. There aren't any good customs this year. Number 4. Are you hungry? We've got Dot's burgers. We've got Dot's burgers. Yes, this is a sentence, positive sentence. So we'll use what? Super, some. Number 5. Are there Dot's monsters in the film? Yes, this is a question. So we'll use what? Yes, we know that any. We use any in negative sentences and questions. So we'll say what? Are there any monsters in the film? Number 6. He hasn't got Dot's clues to the mystery. Yes, hasn't. Negative. So we'll use what? Super. Any. Number 7. He needs Dot's money to buy presents. Yes, this is a positive sentence. Super, some. He needs some money to buy presents. Number 8. Do you buy Dot's fireworks on bonfire night? Yes, this is a question, so we'll use any. Do you buy any? Number 9. There aren't Dot's masks in the shop. Yes, aren't. Aren't is a negative sentence, so we'll use any. Number 10. We need Dot's food for the festival. Yes, this is a positive sentence, so we'll use some. Super. Okay, grammar book page 50. Question number 2. Choose the correct answers. Number 1. There aren't Dot's DVDs in the room. Some, any. Yes. Number 1 is done for us. We'll read it. Okay, there aren't. Aren't is a, yes, negative. Aren't, negative. So we'll choose what? Some or any? Yes, super, any. Number 2. We've got Dot's lemonade in our bags. Yes, this is a positive sentence, so we'll use some. Number 3. Dot's any tickets for the play? Yes. Here we have any. You look, can you see it? Any. So we need negative with any, so we'll choose there aren't. Super. Number 4. Do you play Dot's jokes on April Fool's Day? This is a question. Yes, so we'll use what? Yes, super, any. Number 5. Has the clown got Dot's balloons? Yes, this is a question. So we'll use super, any. Dot's any kites in the shop? Yes, super. We'll say what? Are there any kites in the shop? Please send us Dot's invitations. Yes, this is a positive sentence, so we'll use some. Dot's any sharks in the sea? Yes, here we have any, so we need a negative with any, so we'll choose there aren't. Grammar book page 50. Number 3. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences using some or any and the words given. Okay? Number 1 is done for us. Snow, the beach. There isn't Dots. Yes, here we have isn't, so it's a negative sentence. We will use any. There isn't any snow on the beach. Number 2. Maps, classroom. There aren't. Aren't. That means this sentence is negative, so we'll use super, any. There aren't any maps in the classroom. Number 3. Coffee, this restaurant. Is there Dots? Yes, it's a question. So we'll use some or any. Super, we use any. So we'll say what? Is there any coffee in this restaurant? Number 4. Presents, the table. Are there? Yes, this is a question, so we'll use any. Are there any presents on the table? Number 5. Rides, amusement park. There are. Yes, it's a positive sentence, so we'll use some. There are some rides at the amusement park. Number 6. Carnivals, Greece. Are there? Yes, and there is a question. This is a question. So we'll say what? Yes, we'll use any. Are there any carnivals in Greece? Number 7. Food the plate. Okay, this is a positive sentence. So we'll say what? Yes. Okay, we'll use some because this is a positive sentence. We'll say what? Yes, there is some food on the plate. Number 8. Apples pool. There are dots. Yes, this is a positive sentence. So we'll say what? There are some apples in the pool. Super Junior 3. Grammar book, page 51. Complete the dialogue with some or any. Okay, there is a conversation between Veronica and Grace. Let's see. It's carnival time. Have you got a costume? Yes, I have. I've got 2 costumes. One for me and one for you. But I haven't got those hats. So here we'll use what? Some or any? Yes, I haven't got. This is negative, so we'll use any. Super. I've got those hats. Yes, this is a positive sentence, so we'll use what? Some. Super. I've got some hats. They're my brother's. We always like the hats and masks. Wait, I've got an idea. I have too. Let's buy those balloons. Yes, let's buy those balloons. This is a positive sentence, so we'll use some. No, we don't need those balloons. Yes, we don't need. It's a positive or sentence or a negative sentence? Yes, it's a negative, so we'll use any. Super. Dad buys them for us every year. Let's get dots paint. Yes, let's get dots paint. This is a positive sentence, so we'll use some. We don't need dots paint for the carnival, Grace. We don't need, so this is a negative sentence. We'll use any. Oh, yes, we do. Let's throw it at your brother. Great idea. Booklet page 58, classwork. Choose the right answer. Number 1. Oh no, there is a spider on my hair. Here's a hair. Okay. I want to ask you a question. Hair is countable or uncountable? Yes, hair is uncountable. And I told you that uncountable nouns, we don't put it before it a or n. We don't put any article. And also it has only a singular form. We don't put s at the end of the noun. So we'll choose what? Hair. Super. Number 2. My mom always gives me a no article and apple. Okay, apple is countable or uncountable? Yes, apple is countable. I can count it. Okay, so if I can count it, it's countable. So I will use, yes, I will choose N because apple starts with a vowel. Number 3. I have got a no article and apple and pineapple juice. Yes, it's a juice. Yes, juice. Juice is countable or uncountable? Yes, juice is uncountable. I can't count it. So I can't put it before it article or make it plural, okay? So we'll choose no article because uncountable nouns don't put it before it no articles and we don't and they don't have plural form. Number 4. Look at the food feed. It looks delicious. Okay. Yes, the word food is countable or uncountable. Yes, food is uncountable, so we can count it. So we don't put s. Uncountable nouns have only singular form. They don't have plural form. We can't put s. And also we don't put article before it. Okay, no article before it. So look at the food. It looks delicious. Number 5. My daughter has some any chocolate. Yes, can we count chocolate? No, we can't. So chocolate is uncountable. Okay? Yes. And also look at this sentence. My daughter has some any chocolate. This is a positive sentence or a negative sentence or a question? Yes, this is a positive sentence. So in positive sentence we use some. Super. Number 6. My granddad gave me a loaf packet slice of pizza. Okay, which expression will use? Loaf or packet or slice of pizza? Okay, we use the expression super slice of pizza. Number 7. I want a cup of crisp coffee lemonade. A cup of. So which expression will use? Super, I want a cup of coffee. Number 8. There aren't any books on the desk. Look at this sentence. It's a negative or positive? Yes, it's a negative. Aren't. Negative sentence. So we'll use super any with negative sentences. Super Junior 3. Okay, booklet page 58. Do as shown. Number 1. We need the money for the customs. Correct. Okay, there is a mistake here in this sentence. Yes. Okay, I want to ask you a question. Money is countable or uncountable? Yes, Super Junior 3. Money is uncountable. So, I told you before that we don't put any article before uncountable nouns. And uncountable nouns have only singular form. So, can we say money? No, that's wrong. We'll say what? We need money for the customs. There is no articles before uncountable nouns. Number 2. Monkeys always eat banana. Okay, correct this sentence. Yes, here I have monkeys, more than one. So, all of these monkeys will eat only one banana? Okay, no, of course they will fight, yes? Okay, so we'll say what? Monkeys always eat bananas. And banana is countable, so we can put S, okay? Number 3, there is pizza in the plate. Use a slice. Okay, here he want to use the expression a slice of. A slice of. So if I want to answer it, I will say what? Super, yes. There is a slice of pizza in the plate. Super. Number 4, I want a dot of water, please. Complete. Yes. Here also we will use the expression. We say what of water. Yes, water. Yes, a glass of water. I want a glass of water, please. Super. Okay, booklet page 58. Rewrite the following sentences. Number 1. There is coffee in the cup. A cup. Okay, here we won't use the expression a cup of. So, we'll start by what? We start by there is. After that, we'll write the expression a cup of. After that, the uncountable noun. So, we'll say what? There is a cup of coffee. Number 2. There is water in the bottle. Yes, and we want to use the expression a bottle of. We won't use the expression a bottle of. So we'll start by there is, after that the expression, after that the uncountable noun. So we'll say what? Yes, there is a bottle of water. Number 3. There is bread in the fridge. A loaf. Okay. Yes, we won't use the expression a loaf of. Yes. There is, after that the expression, after that the uncountable noun. There is a loaf of bread in the fridge. Okay. Here in coffee, water and bread I don't count the coffee itself or water itself or bread itself. No, I just counting the container. Here I'm count the cup or bottle or loaf, a cup of, a bottle of, a loaf of. Okay. Number 4. There are bags of rice is. Here this is a plural sentence. There are bags of rice. Here this sentence I want to change it into singular. So I will say what? Super. There is a bag of rice. Here we'll cross R and write is, and we'll cross S and write a bag. There is a bag of rice. Number 5. There are some oranges in the fridge. Any. Here we want to change this sentence from positive sentence to negative sentence. And if I change it to negative, so I will use any. Because I know that some, we use some with only positive sentences and any with negative and questions. Here he wants to use any, so I must change this sentence into negative sentence to use any. So I will say what? I will put not after verb to be. There aren't any oranges in the fridge. There aren't any oranges in the fridge. Super. Okay, your booklet, page 59. Homework. Choose the right answer. Number 1. There is a cup, loaf, carton of bread on the table. Okay, here bread. I use which expression with bread? Yes, I say a loaf of bread. Number 2. Do you buy a and no article fireworks for the party? Yes. Here the word fireworks is plural. Yes, and you know that before plural nouns we don't put any article. Yes, so we'll choose what? No article before plural nouns. No article. Number 3. She has got a can-bag cup of potato chips. Yes, she has got a, which expression you will use? Yes, I will choose potato chips, a bag of potato chips. Number 4. Spaghetti is or am my favorite food. Yes, spaghetti is uncountable noun. And you know that uncountable nouns must be followed by singular verb. So I will choose what is my favorite food. Number 5. I wish you would have a and no article fun in the trip. Yes, you know that fun is uncountable noun. And I told you uncountable nouns we don't put before it a or an or any article, okay? So we'll choose what? No article. Number 6. I have 5 juice, apple, bananas in the fridge. Okay, here the word 5 means that something that you will count it. Okay, juice is uncountable, so we'll cross it. We don't choose it. Apple is countable, but it's singular. So we'll choose what? Bananas. We have 5 bananas in the fridge. Number 7. I'm hungry. Let's make a meat sandwich. Here you have the article a. That means a plus, okay, a plus singular countable noun. A plus singular countable noun. So I will choose which one? Yes, sandwich. It's countable and also it singular. Number 8. Have you got any dresses in your wardrobe? This is a question. Yes, this is a question. So I told you we use any with questions and negative sentences. So we will choose any. Super. Booklet page 59. Rewrite the following sentences. Number 1. There is honey in the jar. A jar. Now I want to use this expression a jar of in this sentence. So I will start by what there is. After that the expression a jar of. After that the uncountable noun. There is a jar of honey. Number 2. There are cans of soda is. Now I want to put is in the sentence, so I will change this sentence into singular. There are cans of soda. I will cross R and I will cross S in cans, and I will say what? There is a can of soda. There is a can of soda. Number 3. There are cartons of milk in. Now this sentence is positive, so I want to put any. Okay, and I told you that any we use it in questions and negative sentences, so I must change this sentence into negative to use any. So I put not where, so I will put not after verb to be. I will say what? There aren't any cartons of milk. Number 4. There is lemonade on the table. Now I want to use the expression a glass of. So I will say what? I will start by there is. After there is, I will put the expression a glass of. A glass of what? A glass of lemonade. So I will say what? There is a glass of lemonade on the table. Number 5. There is pizza in the snack bar. Slices. Now here I want to use slices. Look here, slices is plural, more than one. So I will use the expression. Also, I will change this sentence from singular to plural. Okay? Okay, there is pizza in the snack bar. Okay, I told you that uncountable nouns, we use the singular form. So here I don't count the pizza itself, no, I count the slices. So I have many slices, more than one. I count the slices, not the pizza itself. So I will say what? There are slices of pizza in the snack bar, okay? Number 6, there is soup in the bowl. Of. So I want to use the expression of. So I will say what? There is a bowl of soup. There is a bowl of soup. Super Junior 3. Okay, open your booklet, page 59. Spot and correct. There is a carton of tea in the cupboard. Here there is a mistake. He says what? Spot and correct. So where is the mistake? Can we say a carton of tea? No, we say what? Yes, super. We say a packet of tea, not a carton of tea. So I will say what? There is a packet of tea in the cupboard. Super. Number 2. There are milkshake in the restaurant. Okay, I want to ask you a question. Milkshake is countable or uncountable? Yes, Super Junior 3. Milkshake is uncountable. Can we use R with uncountable nouns? No. Uncountable nouns only have singular form. So we must cross R and write super is. There is milkshake in the restaurant. Number 3. I've got any juice. Okay, look at this sentence. There is a mistake, yes. Look at this sentence. It's a positive sentence. So, can we use any with positive sentence? No. We use some with positive sentence. So, we'll cross any and write some. So, I will say what? I've got some juice. Super. Number 4. Is there some lemonade? And there is a question mark. There is a question, okay? This is a question. Is there some lemonade? Can we use some with questions? No. We use any with questions and negative sentences. So, we'll say what? Is there any lemonade? Super. Thank you, Junior 3, for watching the video. I hope that you understood the lesson. I want you to study very hard and do your homework. Goodbye, see you next time.